Unveiling the Great Wall of China, a must-see adventure. Adventure awaits as we journey to one of the most iconic structures in the world, the Great Wall of China. For centuries, this architectural marvel has been shrouded in history, mystery, and sheer wonder. Spanning over 13,000 miles through rugged mountains, dense forests, and arid deserts, this is not just a wall, it's an experience of a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or an aspiring adventurer, the Great Wall promises awe, inspiration, and discovery at every turn. Ready your hiking boots and camera, it's time to explore. The Great Wall of China is more than just a structure. Its scale, beauty, and cultural significance have earned it a place as one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its history stretches back to the 7th century BC, when small walls were constructed by feudal states to protect against invasions. What stands today is a testament to determination, craftsmanship, and ingenuity, primarily built under the Ming Dynasty, 1368–1644. It was constructed not just as a battlefield defense, but as a way for ancient China to define its borders. Stretching across diverse landscapes, from snow-covered mountains to desert plains, the Great Wall invites travel enthusiasts to uncover its secrets, one step at a time. The Great Wall is vast, and exploring its most renowned sections is a journey in itself. Each part of the wall has its own character and charm, catering to different types of travelers. Here are 4 must-visit sections that should top your list. Mutianyu, a family-friendly gem. Mutianyu is one of the most popular restored sections, known for its accessible pathways and stunning scenery. Located about 73 kilometers north of Beijing, this section is perfect for families, casual hikers, and first-time visitors. The surrounding lush greenery offers a serene backdrop, while the cable car provides an easier ascent for those who wish to save their energy for exploring the wall itself. Don't forget to snap photos from the iconic towers. The views are unforgettable. **2. Battling, the icon of accessibility. Battling is the most visited section due to its close proximity to Beijing and excellent accessibility. While this section can be crowded during peak times, it's a great starting point for beginners who want to experience the wall's grandeur without requiring advanced hiking skills. Historical plaques along the route provide fascinating insights about the wall's construction and purpose. *3. Jiangku, for the adventurous spirit ***. This is where the true thrill-seekers flock. Jiangku is steep, rugged, and untamed, offering a raw and authentic hiking experience. This section remains largely unrestored, meaning parts of the wall are crumbling, but that's what makes it so striking. With its dramatic inclines and stunning viewpoints, it's perfect for seasoned hikers looking to feel the wall's ancient history under their feet. *4. Simeitai, a nighttime adventure ***. Simeitai offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to hike the Great Wall at night. Imagine ascending ancient stone steps under the glow of lanterns, with the beauty of the starry sky overhead. This lesser-known section is ideal for travelers who want to escape the crowds and enjoy a quieter, magical experience. Planning a trip to the Great Wall isn't just about picking a section, it's about preparing for an adventure that fits your interests and goals. **Best times to visit ***. Timing can make or break your trip. The Great Wall is best visited during spring, April-May, and autumn, September-November, when the weather is mild and the landscapes are vibrant. Early mornings or late afternoons are perfect for avoiding crowds and catching picturesque lighting for photos. Getting there. Mutianyu and Battling are easily accessible via public buses or organized tours from Beijing. For more remote sections like Jiangku and Simeitai, consider hiring a car or joining a guided expedition to navigate the rugged terrain safely. What to pack? Comfortable hiking shoes are a must, whether you're strolling along Mutianyu or scaling the steep ridges of Jiangku. Other essentials include bottled water, sunscreen, snacks, and a lightweight day pack. A small first aid kit can also come in handy. And don't forget your camera to capture the scenic vistas. ***, who can visit? The wall welcomes all, but not every section is equally accessible. Families, children, and elderly travelers will enjoy sections like Mutianyu and Battling for their smooth pathways. However, sections like Jiangku are recommended for experienced hikers with a sense of adventure. When you finally arrive, prepare to be spellbound. The Great Wall is awe-inspiring in its sheer scale and artistry. Stretching endlessly into the horizon, weaving through the landscapes like a mythical dragon, it evokes a sense of wonder that's hard to put into words. Beyond the mesmerizing views, the wall offers intimate interactions with nature. Spring and summer showcase colorful wildflowers along the trails, while autumn blankets the hills in fiery shades of red and gold. If you brave a visit in winter, prepare to see the wall dusted in snow, creating a stark and majestic scene. The wall itself offers plenty of Instagram-worthy moments. Whether you're looking out from one of its ancient watchtowers or walking along its winding path with miles of untouched wilderness in the background, the Great Wall is a photographer's dream. No trip to the Great Wall is complete without delving into the stories and legends that have shaped its cultural identity. Picture this: it's the Ming Dynasty, and soldiers are stationed on the wall, keeping watch for potential invasions. The wall was not just a physical barrier, it was a lifeline, with beacon towers used to send smoke signals alerting reinforcements of incoming threats. Every brick and stone holds echoes of these defensive efforts. And then, there are myths. One of the most famous is the legend of Meng Jiangnu's bitter weeping. This tale tells the story of a woman who journeyed to the wall in search of her husband, who had been forced to labor in its construction. Her cries of despair were so powerful that they caused a section of the wall to collapse, uncovering his remains. The legend remains a poignant reminder of the human cost behind this magnificent structure. Exploring the Great Wall is an unforgettable adventure, but a few insider tips can make it even more rewarding. For a deeper cultural experience, combine your visit with nearby attractions like the Ming Tombs or the Forbidden City in Beijing. Spend some time in nearby villages, where locals share stories about the region's history and offer authentic Chinese cuisine. Indulge in a simple yet delicious meal of dumplings or noodles before or after your hike. Consider hiring a guide who can lead you through lesser-known sections of the wall and provide fascinating historical context along the way. The Great Wall is not just a destination, it's a journey into the past, a celebration of the present, and an inspiration for the future. Walking this ancient structure allows you to connect with the incredible feats of humanity while basking in the beauty of nature. Each step on the wall offers something unique. It's more than a trip. It's a once-in-a-lifetime adventure tailored for travel enthusiasts seeking stories to remember and moments to cherish. So, dust off your backpack, lace up your boots, and answer the call of the Great Wall. It's time to turn dreams into plans and plans into experiences. The Great Wall of China isn't just waiting to be seen, it's waiting to be lived. Will you answer the call?